Whoa. Better than you, better than her. Whoa.
Hey honey buns, be sure to watch to the end how I got this wig from being colorful to this beautiful ginger. The ingredients that you see below, I did use all of them and I mixed them into a consistency that I was satisfied with. One thing for sure, I recommend using a cap full of tin developer. That's all you need. So she's pretty faded already. I faded her once before off camera, and I'm doing it for a second time on camera because I wanted to make sure that this mixture works. So if it's a bright color, if it's really pigmented, you're gonna have to do this twice. What girls fail to mention in videos like this is that you're not gonna always get all of the color out. Some hues might linger, so the color that you choose to dye the wig next should be the last thing you do to it, because she's been through enough, and you need to make sure that the color cancels out the hue that's left. In this case, it was blue, and so I went for a pretty ginger, and that's in like the orange and red family, and it easily canceled it out with doing the watercolor method. The colors that I used are Adores cinnamon, French cognac, and Cajun spice. I used 2 cinnamon, 2 French cognac, 1 Cajun spice. This color removal concoction was successful. I plucked her, styled her, and installed her off camera. She came out beautifully and I'm very satisfied. Comment down below if this mixture helped you guys out and if it worked. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.